We are with San Diego Business Connectors. I'm Carmenza David. I'm the president of the organization. And this is Michelle Montessori.
Hello.
And he's our director of marketing. And the reason why San Diego Business Connectors is such an amazing organization is because our purpose is not only to connect, promote, and build relationships, but we actually do it. There's no membership to come to our groups. You only pay $20 when you come to the event. And another amazing thing is the fact that we have inclusivity. Inclusivity, which means we can have 2 and 3 people from the same service, offering the same service, in the same group, but still creating and developing relationships. So it's very much what you put into it, what you get back.